sir, this
Problem.
yes,
Answer
sir.
is probably no.
No, sir.
You have done it,
Yes, sir. Yes.
but what I gather is these owners they are not aware of that.
Sir, this part of the ROU,
Okay.
it falls under Damsara Reserve Forest.
Okay.
So we had applied for permission from Forest Department
Okay.
under FCA 1981.
Okay. That
And
is
in that,
but what about this paddy land? This is also a reserve forest. Yeah.
no, sir.
This paddy field.
That
That
part
is not reserve forest. I
that
believe.
is not reserve forest.
Have you made enough provisions for compensation? Have you
Yes,
done
sir.
it?
They have been compensated. And
But,
this will
they are
be
saying that we have not received anything.
only 2-3 cases are there.
Okay, why should they be left out?
Because the documents are pending at their end, which has been clarified by SDM Panisagar on the meeting. This concluded. When was this meeting?
No, as I was going through their papers, they have all the required documents. You have not paid.
Sir, we are not the authority to pay for this entire project. There is a competent authority. Sir, please.
Who is that competent authority?
Competent authority is a government nominee from the government of Tripura. He was Mr. Pradeep Acharya
Okay.
till Saturday. So he has disbursed. The payment has been made in 2023.
I'll tell you one thing.
Yes, sir.
Pradeep Acharya is a representative of government of Tripura.
Yes, sir.
Is he the DM or SDM?
Sir,
In
he
what
is-
capacity?
he is
In what capacity has he assumed this
Sir,
position?
he has been appointed by Gazette notification under Section 2A of PNMP Act
Okay.
1962. So the competent authority exercises the power of district judge and wide notification in 2019. He was appointed for all the acquisition matters, handling all the acquisition matters for this ROU.
Okay. But they have not been paid.
Sir, only one odd cases are pending.
Not one cases. There are many cases.
Sir,
we met the
I would-
affected families here.
Sir,
You have not paid them.
Sir, we are
What is that fishy thing going on here?
we can assess only the damage of damage. No, whatever on the basis of measurement of the damages.
See the measurement. See this could be.
Sir, it's a 20-meter corridor. We have only accepted
corridor.
10 meters.
But this
Sir,
Ericana trees,
Sir,
paddy land, you are affecting the entire plot.
sir, I would.
How could you make such a assessment?
Sir, it is not a one-way assessment. It has been done jointly. Why? Because it falls in forest department.
No.
Sir,
Forest department, this part I understand. That these paddy fields are not forest department.
Sir, that
Don't
is-
say that.
that is also been done with the help of the Tehsildar, the Gram Panchayat, the person who the company, and
It's not
the
Gram
landowner.
Panchayat. This is probably this area. It should be BTC.
Sir,
BTC. Village Council.
all the government representatives have been involved. We show the 20 meters corridor. They assess the who is the
No,
beneficiary.
you have to count the side effects as well. You see, 20-meter corridor will not be enough. You are damaging the entire plot of this paddy field.
Sir, the 20-meter corridor is used. In case there is any damage beyond that,
Collateral damage.
once that is done, once the activity is done, we have to seek NOC from the villagers, or a notification is placed by the competent authority where any claim is there, that has to be addressed. And once the job is complete, based on the notification, and it will be assessed once again, and the government representative all will come, and whatever damage that may be to temporary severance to land or crop compensation, that will be paid by the competent authority, and we'll have to deposit that amount to the company.
Tini naro faimani bo jaga phaika tamono nai phaika abo ni tui kisa
Tini oro faimani karon kebo Damsara area Panisagar subdivision under play oro IGGL ni project Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited ni project oro chole tu ko jaga ni no phangkheo mo busala ro mo bini logeju jung faimani hingke boro ni jaga no exploit khlaye oro kang mai di hobo chole tu excavation jang di pipeline tino pipeline tino mo ke chung tu siu bo indigenous romi जनजाति को हम बीजेपी रोम बाफा बैठे जनजाति हम रोम जागाओ बरो ड्रिलिंग खेतु एक्सकावेशन खेतु जांग बिस काओ हारुं तो अब दिखे पाइपलाइन तिनांगो bo je affected area ni do rong no bro compensation kaham keria skiri skra ke ta oro bro ko TSR ye di ri tu compensation ria ko bro compensation ri nai hi sai ria ye pipeline ke bro already ko pho pai ti na ningke bro compensation sai pu ke mat xyz karon thu ye bro riang to ha ningke abono chung spot verification ke ni phai ningke bro no tre skri mo to oro BNS ni mat section the pa se bro no sulta sklu ye de ma abo din ke rai le to bro ke chini suspicion to oro as per the rules jo tong ya etre kau khoang ke bin jaga hin ko ta uplo no oro setre ke ha bro no tre ke ha param bro no nu ro no tang tung di chung tang ye rin da hi chau whereas bo jagan bagra bono ke compensation di seri ya ke bodin ke ching bro ro no ti prasar no thung tu no abono chung administrative ko yapri breke se nai government bai chalai nai SDM bai chalai nai nake DM pho thangnai nake chung chief minister ner pho thangnai bono address khe nai hiye abono chini main purpose ke compensation indigenous ni ke so ke land for land singna no jaga na ke jaga mari nai in addition to cash compensation ningke tang nai di himbrong jaga boni pipeline pho tinang tha ke bo jagan bodlam jaga ri bro no rang simi rimo bai ya indigenous borok ni जनजाति ron keso ke abo hai chung nang plus borok ni ekta generation pura ses hongnai compensation to no hani jaga 5 taka ke 5 taka ring ya mono bono 4 times 5 times as per ko rule to mo abo rina boro ma khlainai abono chini visit ni purpose chung oro tabu oro site je engineer tongnai bono khup hoya phaidi nung kok ma salai pedi tma khelam ro abo chung bono tinang ye SDM ni aro taw thang aro salai ni chung to mom ke boro hinke niriho public innocent o innocent ro no boro ake phnu phuji hoi aro riling khir nu aro ta phaidi hi boro oro ya paise seriang to hinke abolo jur jobardasti hinke chung phai hata an loge chini team ni ko vice president to ang to secretary general ni ko to PSF ni vice president bo to ro vice president bo to chung bono joutho babe chung SDM thangnai nangke DMO pho thang SDM bai salai ma khemai na granai so this is the purpose of our visit here
acha char or ke busing mi tarok khlai borok o jaga na jakna
boro nai di oro to sangnai oro 15 ko 10-15 meter rong na asu teisa kong mano bini side effect nai di ubong hingjang kuain phangnai di joto bai khlainai jang jang nai di khlainai ni compensation to nu jebo excavation area asu norom yeng yale bini side nai di abo joto bai khlainai kuain blong sero komlang phang to bro to proper assessment kheyale proper assessment khesa bo bai ko multiple times nu multiply khlaina nang because one generation no nu damage khlaido bo khiyang ke ko bim samtui bo phosol bai no chanai khnale tre wa haro kuaim phangkai ye bo su tori ane koi bo sonnang ke one generation pai nai ngini compensation bo thik abo format no tinang ma khanai ke bro le ri kriya ko bini jagao setre ke hano nok tang ri nai hi rang ke di ko IGL ri nai satu abut ma yoro phagra de abo ke du bodin ke innocent bro no ke maung to tra se na abo chung go sei nai nai
Southern town, they are going to construct around 125 kanis and RD 5 kanis and higher education department 20 kanis, 8 acres. So
75 kanis altogether.
more than 150 kanis they need land acquisition. Now my question is that
To the department they have allotted.
my question is that
Some little bit closer.
although here the total cost land is more than 300 kanis.